I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the same phone number and cloud account on both devices because WhatsApp ties backups to them. Once ready, connect to stable Wi-Fi, plug the phone in, and open WhatsApp Settings Chat's Chat Backup. Tap Backup now to push a fresh copy to Google Drive or iCloud. Enable Include Videos only if you want large media. This creates the necessary cloud snapshot so the new phone can detect and restore your messages. Once done, verify the backup timestamp so you know the latest copy exists. On Android, check Google Drive backups and optionally copy the local /WhatsApp/databases folder to the new phone via USB if you prefer local restore. Make sure the target device is signed into the same Google account. On iPhone, ensure iCloud Drive is enabled and there's enough storage. Confirm the last backup time. For cross-platform moves, use Move to iOS or Trusted Transfer apps. You finish on the new phone by installing WhatsApp, signing in with the same phone number, and granting permissions so the app can access backups. When WhatsApp detects a cloud or local backup, tap Restore and wait. Make sure the device stays online and plugged in until it completes. After messages load, media may continue downloading. If Restore fails, check you use the same account and number, verify backup visibility and storage space, and try manual file copy for Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.